Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we will see how to enable developer options on your Xiaomi smartphone. So if you go to the settings app and you scroll down to additional settings from here. Now, as you can see, we cannot find the option for developer options. To enable developer options, just go back from here, scroll up until you find about phone. From here, just tap the OS version a few times until you enable developer options. From here, just scroll down to additional settings. Now, if you scroll down, you will see the developer options enabled. Now, to disable developer options, just tap here, and as you can see, we have disabled developer options. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.